What up, what up? Good to see you guys again. Today, we're going to be replacing the blade on a 40 volt cobalt mower. You guys have seen in previous videos, I have used the string trimmer and the blower, and those work great. But now we're gonna test out the mower. The reason I haven't used the mower is because the blade on it has been very, very rusted out. And I'll show you guys here what I'm talking about. You can see that. I mean, maybe you could sharpen it and get away with it, but I'd rather just replace it. I've got the blade here. I tried replacing this blade before. I went to Lowe's, got the blade that they said they had available for it, but it was not the right one. The connection holes were for the newer model. Now this blade actually, I had to order it online because they don't carry it in store anymore, but it came from Greenworks. The label still says Cobalt on it, like the actual manufacturer. With that being said, if you're going to replace a blade on any mower, make sure you pay attention to the owner's manual for all the part numbers and all that stuff. I didn't have the owner's manual for this one, so I had to do some research. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to changing. See you in a second. Okay, so what are we gonna need to replace this blade? You're gonna need a piece of wood, something to hold the blade in place as you're rotating the nuts and bolts. Make sure that it doesn't twist on you. And then if you have a impact drill or something like that, use that. But for me, I have a ratchet set, so this is what I'm gonna use. Secondly, remove the battery. You don't want this thing turning on while you're trying to do this. If you're using a gas mower, unplug the spark plug. Let's get to it. And voila, just like that. All right, so now that we've got the old blade off and we've got the new blade unwrapped, we're going to put it on, but first we have to pay attention to how we're putting this blade on. So thankfully with this blade, it has markings on it showing the direction that it goes. And these markings are gonna go down towards the grass. Now remember, this is specifically for a Cobalt 40 volt mower. So if you have a different type of mower, check your owner's manual and check the part numbers to make sure that you put them on correctly. Let's go ahead and put this one on. Oh, secondly, if you see these little wings here, these little wings are also gonna go down towards the grass. So if you put it on backwards, you could do a lot of damage to your soil and you could do a lot of damage to the blade itself or potentially ruin your mower. So always pay attention. Let's get to it. There you go. New blade on, and now we will test it. All right, let's see how this does. To get this one started, you hold the power button, then engage the blade, the blue lever. Good to go. All right. It's not bad. You can see the cut. The cut's pretty good. The new blade is fresh. Anyway, that's how you change a blade on a 40-volt Cobalt. Pay attention to the part numbers, pay attention to your owner's manual, make sure you actually get the right part. That way you're not like me and you're making a trip to Home Depot or Lowe's for nothing and then having to order online. So that is how it's done. I'm gonna finish the front yard here and then call it a day. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, hit the like, subscribe, share with a friend, do all the good things to keep the channel growing. See you on the next one.